Good afternoon, I'm Kaulen. This is PHS News Today for Friday, September 20th. The French Scenic Railway is holding auditions for the Paoli Express. You must be 13 years of age to be considered for a role. Kickball intramural sign-up forms have been sent to your email. Get a team together or sign up as an individual and be placed on a team. Sign-ups will end September 27th and games will be played on October 2nd. The theme for tonight's football game is Blackout. Make sure your school themed outfit is school appropriate. Boys varsity football will be at home tonight against West Washington starting at 7. Over the weekend, Saturday, C-Team volleyball will be away at Perry Central starting at 9 a.m. Cross country will be away at Crawford County starting at 10. Junior high volleyball will be away at Jasper Middle School starting at 9:30 a.m. There will be a meeting on Tuesday, September 24th for anyone in grades 9 through 12 who are interested in joining varsity wrestling for this winter. We will meet at 8 a.m. in the wrestling room for a brief information meeting. Please see Coach Ermick if you cannot attend this meeting. Any juniors who would like to take the PSATs need to come sign up at the guidance office by the end of the day today. This will provide more practice for the SATs and to qualify for the National Merit Scholarship. I'm Kaulen. That's your afternoon. Have a fantastic day.